This fitting guide is for the TCTK. This fitting guide will also work for the TA4805, but some parts may be in reverse. First, remove all of the headrests from the seats. Be mindful that the headrest stalks may have grease on them. Starting with the right side seat, identify the right cover by having the logo closest to the door and finding this hole. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings on the cover. And loop it over the back of the seat like you're putting on a jacket. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. Tuck the cover behind the seatbelt. And fasten at the back using the hook and loop. Secure the hook and loop underneath the armrest. Make sure the cover is tucked behind the plastic fixings. Do this for both sides of the seat. Next, you'll want to tuck the cover through the bottom of the seat and pull it out at the back. This area of the seat can be quite tight, so it may be easier to pull the seat forward. With the cover pulled through at the back, you can now attach the hook and loop. You can now lift the seat back into position. The backs of the other two seats are installed in the same way. Here the process is one more time sped up so you can see it. Next, grab the cover for the seat which has a double base. Loop it over the front of the seat. And fasten it at the front using the hook and loop fastenings. Using the hook and loop tab on the side, pull the cover around the side of the seat. Tuck the cover through to the back. And push the seat forward to give yourself some room to work. With the cover pushed through, you can take the hook and loop fastening from the side of the seat and attach it at the back. The process for the other side of the seat is exactly the same. The cover is then secured in the middle using another hook and loop fastening. You can now lift the seat back up. The cover is tucked in around the seat belts. And the double seat is now finished. The single seat on this cover is installed in the exact same way as the double seat. Fasten the hook and loop at the front. Grab the tab on the side and pull the cover around the side of the seat. Tuck the cover through to the back of the seat. Push the seat forward. Pull the hook and loop around from the side and fasten it at the back. Before repeating the process on the other side of the seat. If your seat has an armrest, it is installed by undoing the hook and loop, slide it over the top of the armrest, and attaching the hook and loop at the bottom. Next, put all of the headrests back into the seats. For the headrests, the covers pull over from the bottom to the top. and the Velcro is fastened underneath. All three of the headrests are exactly the same, so will all fit and attach the same. Your seats are now fully covered.